Hello my inquisitive friends. Perhaps after seeing this model from Pagani, you will want to go back to the future, and someone to the past. The medium-engine Pagani Zonda model appeared in 1999, the Pagani Huayra hypercar that replaced it was released in 2011. And now the Italian Horatio Pagani has presented the third generation of his car to the world. It took more than 6 years to develop the Pagani Utopia model, during which time 8 running prototypes were built to test various solutions. But at the same time no revolutions and no electricity. Utopia has retained all the family features of the previous models, a characteristic silhouette, 4 lamp lighting, mirrors on thin curved legs and 4 outlet pipes grouped in the center. The design team tried to give the traditional solutions a new look, and at the same time carefully worked on the aerodynamics. The new monocoque is made of carbon fiber and titanium, as well as a special material Carbotriax HP52. This technology was tested by the company 5 years ago on the Huayra Roadster model. The front and rear subframes are made of chrome molybdenum pipes. Horatio Pagani has remained loyal to the V12 6 liters biturbo, which supplies AMG. However, compared to the Huayra tricolor model, this engine was subjected to a very modest boost. The power was increased from 840 to 864 horsepower, and in addition, the engineers clarified that such an indicator is achieved at an ambient temperature of 18 degrees Celsius. The torque of 1,100 newtons has not changed. The 7-speed Strack Gearbox, located in the same module with an electronically controlled differential, is completely new and installed not along, but across, to remove excess weight from the rear overhang. Moreover, you can choose both a robotic version with one 3-disc clutch and pure mechanics. The suspension with twin aluminum levers and electronically controlled shock absorbers is almost the same as that of the Huayra Art Track model. Carbon ceramic Brembo brakes are installed on the car, front with 6-piston mechanisms, rear with 4-piston ones. On the front axle wheels with a diameter of 21 inches, on the rear 22-inch. The interior is a celebration of traditionalism. Utopia does not have a media system in principle, and the only screen is installed in the center of the instrument cluster. The driver has 6 analog scales at his disposal, including oil pressure and boost readings. The plate with slots for the mechanic's lever is carved from a single piece of aluminum, as well as the steering wheel along with the spokes and hub. The curb weight of the coupe is 1,280 kilograms. But the company did not disclose the dynamic characteristics, as it did not do this in the previous 5 years. But it was announced that the Pagani Utopia coupe will be released in 99 copies.